with Nashville Assistant General Manager Paul Fenton, and big day. You have to be very pleased that to know that the future is going to come, and it's here in this building.
I think the best thing is, you guys alluded to it, they return home. They return to, where the roots are. And I just love having a building that you can call your own. And I know they have a lot of tenants, but, us taking up the majority of the dates will be a real nice thing for us to be able to say that our players can come in here, they're going to practice here, they're going to feel like it's theirs.
Yeah, absolutely. You had mentioned that you played in this building on the opposing team. And can you explain again what that was like?
Well, in 82, 83, it was a nightmare. This was kind of the graveyard of players that fell down from other leagues that were really, really good. And I played on an expansion team in Peoria that wasn't very, very good. And it turned to be quite an adventure when you came in here. I think we played here, or we played against them at least 16 times that year. So coming in here, you knew what it was going to be like. It was going to be a war. You were both going to get beat up with the score sheet and in the penalty box. So it was a great place to really have an identity, and I'm hoping that our teams will be able to carry that on.
You mentioned that it's nice to have a place to call home. It's nice to have Nashville know that their players will be taken care of, certainly.
Yeah, this building has such a great history. The town has great history of being able to carry on the hockey tradition. Our players have enjoyed it. Again, we've won a championship here. We'd like to win several championships here in our relationship with the Admirals, and hopefully that will continue.
Real quick, your thoughts on how the season is going?
I really like how the season is going. Our staff does a great job. The communication here is tremendous. Our players have done a really good job. The key, like in anything, it's staying healthy. And we've got a couple injuries both in Nashville and here, and it kind of sometimes really waters you down. So we're looking for some help. As the season winds down here, and some of our junior players and college players are done, and possibly some free agents that I can get involved with, which I'm kind of running around doing now. I might be able to bolster our lineup a little bit and give us a little better advantage to try and get into the playoffs deeper and win.
Excellent, Paul. Thanks for the time.
Thanks for having me.
That's Paul Fenton.